Hey everyone, I am Anchal. I work as a senior software developer here at Geeky Ants. So, why is optimizing your images important? Well, for starters, it improves the performance of your website or application. So, today we are going to discuss how we can optimize images through Cloudinary. Cloudinary is an end-to-end solution for image and video management for web and mobile applications. It takes care of tasks like uploading, storing, editing, optimizing, and delivering these media files to a client. Also helps us to upload a single asset once on the server, and now the client can request as many formats as per their requirements. While optimizing an image, we have to be very considerate of format, dimensions, resolution, and quality. The goal is to achieve the smallest file size while ensuring the resulting image aligns with specific content, overall page design, and meets the expectations of site visitors. One of the ways to optimize an image in Cloudinary is to set the quality when delivering the image. So, reducing the quality is a trade-off between visual quality and file size. The lower the quality value, the more the file is compressed to a smaller file size. The more data is lost in the process, and the result is a loss of visual quality. We can control the visual quality and compression level of images with the quality parameter, that is Q in URLs. For example, reducing the quality of the following image to 10 results in a file size of 160 KB compared to the original file size of 215 KB with a barely noticeable reduction in visual quality. So we have original image on the left and quality compromised image on the right. There is another easier way using which we can deliver images without having to pass exact parameters like above. We can use automatic quality selection for this. To perform automatic quality selection and image encoding adjustments, you can set the quality transformation parameter to auto, that is Q_auto in URLs. I hope you found this informative. Cloudinary has proven to be very efficient in our projects. We would love to hear about your experiences with Cloudinary. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you are curious to see how this is working, there is a link to GitHub repo in the description box. You can go ahead and check it out. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest insights. See you. Cheers. Bye bye.